I won't spend a lot of time on the hybrid white spruce because the characteristics are very similar to the Engelmann spruce. But important to go over it. So I'm at the Catherine Drive field site. So low elevation, very close to Prince George. So we can assume our spruce in this region have hybridized. So Engelmann spruce hybridizing with white spruce. Pure white spruce can be found in the northeast part of our province, and pure Engelmann spruce at higher elevations. So 900 to 1,000 meters plus is out of the elevational range for white spruce. So we can assume that those spruce have not hybridized. So if you remember on the Engelmann spruce, the flaky gray bark. So the same thing on our hybrid spruce. So there's one right in front here, and the one with the pink ribbon wrapped around it in the background is also a spruce. Kind of in a depressed site, so a lower moisture receiving site on the land base. Can get really large, like 50 meters tall, these trees, and quite large circumference. So really valuable forest species in forestry. Right now we're having a spruce beetle outbreak that you may have heard of, which is causing a lot of mortality in our large spruce. The cones of these species are similar to the Engelmann spruce, so remember the bracts. Sorry, not the bracts, the scales. So the main part of the cone have that rough edge. So these are smoothed out just a little bit. If you look in your tree book, white spruce have a smooth edge on the scales of the cone. Engelmann spruce have a shaggy edge. So the hybrid spruce is kind of a cross in between. The same pointed needles, 4 sides, and growing on moister sites. Spruce have a shallow root system. There's some young spruce up here. They have a really deep green tinge to the needles, sharp to the touch, almost a blue tinge to it in certain areas, especially if they have high UV exposure. And that's the hybrid spruce. You'll become quite familiar with it.